Hey everybody, thank you for joining my channel. If you're new here, please hit that subscribe, like this video, leave a comment if you will. I want to tap into the subject of being Muslim without even knowing it, as my coworker stated and brought to my attention. She said, "You already Muslim and you don't even know it." And I used to think back, like, I was raised Christian and I believed in Jesus, but I always questioned it. But this is not a debate of whether Jesus Christ is real or we should worship him or whatever. Like, my personal beliefs is my beliefs. So, don't come for me in the comment section and saying Jesus Christ is the only way. I don't think that any religion or spirituality should bash another religion. Yeah, that's just not really godlike, in my opinion. But I want to talk about how you may be Muslim and don't even know it. If you only believe in one God, the Most High, like me, myself, and I believe Jesus Christ or Yeshua. Yeshua was a prophet, just like Muhammad, peace be upon him, and many others like me. Muslim principles can manifest in behaviors and values without formal recognition of them. Here are some key Islamic principles that individuals might embody unknowingly. Charity, or zakat, the practice of helping others and giving to those in need, reflects the principle of charity, which is central in Islam. 2. Compassion and kindness. Treating others with empathy and respect aligns with the Islamic teachings of compassion. 3. Justice. Upholding fairness and standing against injustice resonates with Islamic commitment to justice. 4. Honesty. Valuing truthfulness and integrity in personal and professional life reflects Islamic teachings about honesty. 5. Respect for parents. Honoring and caring for one's parents is emphasized in Islamic teachings and often a universal value. 6. Community support. Engaging in community service and supporting neighbors embodies the principle of ummah, or community. 7. Gratitude. Practicing thankfulness for one's blessing is fundamental aspect of Islamic life. 8. Humility. Emphasizing humility over arrogance reflects the Islamic virtues of being humble before God and others. These principles can guide behavior and relationships, often leading to a lifestyle that aligns with Islamic values even without explicit knowledge of them. Would you like to explore any specific principles further? That's Chat GPT for you. But yeah, see, basically, it's based on your character, It's yeah, what is it? And Muslim women often embody a variety of traits shaped by cultural, religious, and personal beliefs. Here are some key traits that's commonly associated with Muslim women. Faith and spirituality. Many Muslim women are deeply committed to their faith, engaging in practices like prayer and fasting. 2. Community oriented. They often value community involvement and support, participating in social and charitable activities. 3. Resilience. Many exhibit strength and perseverance in the face of challenges, balancing personal, familiar, and society expectations. 4. Educated. There's a growing emphasis on education, with many pursuing higher education and professional careers. 5. Cultural pride. They often take pride in their cultural heritage and traditions, integrating them with their identity as Muslim women. 6. Advocacy. Many are active in advocating for women's rights and social justice, challenging stereotypes and promoting equality. 7. Family values. Family is often central in their lives, emphasizing care, respect, and support for relatives. 8. Modesty. Modesty. Many practice modesty in dress and behavior, which can be expressions of their faith and personal choice. Yes, so basically, the whole time I'm Muslim and practice Islamic principles without even knowing it. But now that I know, now that I'm aware, it's it's up and it's stuck. Yeah, so the more you know. Yeah, so let me know in the comments if you resonate with any of those principles and key traits and you don't consider yourself Muslim. People always in the comments like, I'm not Muslim, but my favorite word is inshallah. Inshallah, Lord willing, Lord willing. Subhana Rabbiya Allah. Did my prayer this morning at 5 a.m. I was up all night and my my notification went off on my phone to pray, and I said, let me pray, and I did that. But the early morning prayer isn't as long as the nighttime prayer, so yeah, that was good. But anyway, I just thought I'd let you all know, bring that on here, because I was thinking about that. Like, people may be, and Muslim means one who submits their life to God. So, and I was watching a movie last night, The Message, and basically, and shouts out to the person who recommended that I watch The Message. Yeah, 2J, I think, was it 2J Zilla? Yeah, thank you for recommending The Message to me, because it made me think, like, I feel like at the end of the day, when you get into solitude and you're isolated for a time frame, a long time, you start to become one with the Most High. And that's how it was for Muhammad, peace be upon him, and Buddha, and like myself. Like, I've been here down this road before, where I was alone and by myself, and I had time to just really, without any, you know, teachings of Jesus Christ or Christianity and all of that. Like, that stuff is taught to you. But when you sit and you just meditate and you are one with the Most High, you you connected with earth, you connected with the world, you connected with the stars, you connected with the animals and the birds and the trees and all of that. So that's from the Most High, and the Most High only. So that's why I resonate with Islam and Islamic beliefs. And it's not about a person, place, or thing. It's about your own personal relationship with the Most High. It's not about the teachings. It's about your way of life and your practice and what you do, your intentions that you set. So that has to be understood. But yeah, so this is not a debate about religion or Christianity or Islam. People have to understand that religion is a way of life and a personal choice, and you can't bash anybody or condemn anybody for choosing one way or another way for their own personal reasons. You have to do what's best for you and what suits you best and what's, in your best interest. But yeah, I ain't gonna hold you all too long. Just wanted to tap in right quick and just let you all know that I love you all, and I hope you all having a beautiful, blessed, wonderful Saturday and weekend. And yeah, assalamu alaikum, my sisters and brothers. Peace be upon you, and sending much love and light to the overall collective out there, because in this time, in this where we're at right now, we do need to pray more and pray without ceasing. So yeah, and that's what I'm trying to do. Stay focused, and my relationship with the Most High is getting deeper and deeper, and I'm getting closer and closer to the Most High, to where we like this. Me and the Most High is like this. You could be like this, like God is over here and I'm over here. No, we like this. Yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna let you all go. Remember to always keep the Most High first, and stay blessed, my friends. Bye. Love you.